Okay. In this video, sasagutin natin tong sample na to, equation of the line. So find the equation of the line, passes through the points -2, 1 and +2, +9. So gagawin lang natin dito is syempre, makuha natin yung slope. And we know na na-formula ng slope during our discussion nung face-to-face is that um, the formula is the rise over run for the slope. And nakuha natin yun, no? Nung nag-draw tayo ng graph para makuha yung formula slope. And that is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Okay? So, first thing first, syempre, we need to substitute the value of our given coordinate points. So, dito lang yon. So, notice na meron tayong x sub 1 dito, then y sub 1, and also x sub 2 and y sub 2. So we simply substitute lang yan doon sa ating formula. So therefore we have y sub 2 is 9 minus y sub 1 that is equal kay 1 over kay 2 is x sub 2 minus the -2 for our x sub 1. Okay? So ang ginawa lang natin is sinubstitute lang para mo yung slope. So 9 minus 1 that is equals to 8. And then denominator natin, change the sign of the subtrahead then proceed sa addition. So therefore, yung negative, palitan natin yung, rather yung subtrahead natin, palitan natin ng sign na positive, then proceed tayo sa addition. Itong minus sign natin magiging positive. So therefore, we have 2 plus 2. And if we simplify yan, meron tayong 8 over 4, and that is equal to positive 2. So therefore, yung slope natin is equal kay 2. Okay? Yun yung una natin kailangan, no? Para makuha natin equation ng line. And after that, gagamitin na natin yung formula or rather yung point slope form. So point slope form is y minus y sub 1 equals m multiplied to x minus x sub 1. Okay? So remember, during our face-to-face class, di ba, ang ginagawa lang natin dito is pipick tayo dito sa dalawa, ang alin man dyan sa dalawa na point, and then yun na yung gagamitin natin for coordinate para dito sa point slope form. Okay? So gagawin mo lang, substitute the given value. So meron tayong y sub 1 that is equal kay positive 1. Then x sub 1 that is equals to -1. So therefore, itong positive 1 natin, that is our point na gagamitin. So rather, that is the coordinate na gagamitin, that is positive 1 equal. So yung rather yung m, nakuha na natin kanina, that is equal kay 2 or yun yung ating slope. And ayan yung reason kung bakit um, kinukuha natin yung slope dito sa dalawang point na to para magamit natin dito sa point slope form. Okay? Then after that, variable x minus yung x sub 1 that is equals to -2. Then do some algebra na lang, no? So meron tayong y minus positive 1 multiplied to our slope, rather equals to our slope times the quantity x, change the sign of the subtrahead, then proceed sa addition, magiging positive to yan. Okay? Then after that, FOIL method, no, distribute lang na, rather FOIL method, distributive property. So, distribute lang natin yung 2, that is equal kay 2x plus 4. So, ang ginawa lang is minultiply. Then y minus 1, okay? Then add both side ng 1, no, para makuha na natin yung value ng y explicitly sa x. So, therefore, meron tayong y equal to 2x, okay, plus 5. So meaning, ito na ngayon yung ating equation ng line. At ang tawag dito is slope intercept form. Kasi kung mapapansin ninyo, na-form na natin yung y equal mx plus b. And then ang reason kung bakit natin yan nililipat sa ganitong itsura or form para mas mag-graph natin ng maayos yung ating line or equation ng line. So, di ba, ang ginagawa natin dito is puntahan muna natin yung ating intercept. So, y-intercept is positive 5. Ayan yung ating letter B. So, this is intercept and this is our slope. Go. Okay? So, ang gagawin lang is that locate the intercept, no? Since y-intercept yan and positive yung 5, magmumove ka papataas ng 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And then 5. Okay? Then after that, pupunta ka ngayon dito kay slope. So si slope, alam natin na yung definition ng slope is rise over run. Okay? So si rise over run yan. So dahil ang slope natin is equal to 2 and alam natin meron yan invisible 1 sa baba, so meaning ito yung ating rise, ito naman yung ating run. So therefore, after we locate the intercept, punta ngayon tayo sa slope. Alamin natin kung ilang rise at ilang run. So kita-kita naman natin na meron tayong 2 units, no? So meaning meron tayong 1, 2 for our rise and magra-run tayo ng isa. So therefore, dito sa kanan. Okay? Kasi positive 1 yan eh. And lagi namang pakanan yung move natin kasi kung magiging negative man yan, isi-simplify mo, mapupunta pa rin dito sa taas. Okay? Yung negative sign. So therefore, eto na ngayon yung location ng ating um, slope. And alam natin yung intercept, dito siya tumama sa 5. So meaning, ito yung graph no, ng ating line. Okay? So, bali ang nangyari lang is kailangan mo yung formula ng slope at si point slope form. Okay? So, una, hanapin syempre yung slope. Then after that, ah gamitin yung isang point doon sa given. Pwede naman tong kabila yung 2,9. Parehas lang yung magiging sagot niyan. Then substitute nyo lang sa ating point slope form. Okay, then after that, do some algebra, kunin nyo yung value ng y explicitly kay x para makuha na natin yung slope intercept form. At ang reason kung ba't natin yung ginagawa, para mas madali natin mag-graph. Kasi sa ganitong form, alam na natin kung sino yung intercept at kung sino yung slope. So therefore, ang slope natin ay 2, ang intercept natin ay 5. So, ayan yung use kung bakit natin siya nililipat sa ganyang format para mag-graph natin siya. Okay? So, um, this is the equation of the line for negative 2, 1 and 2, 9 na point.